Do you read this book? Is this your phone? Do you drive a car? Is your house big? Do you like your job? Is this your school? Is she your teacher? Are you a student? Do you have a pen? Is that your laptop? Do you carry a bag? Is this chair comfortable? Is the table clean? Is the fan on? Is the light working? Do you drink enough water? Do you like spicy food? Is this your room? Is the door locked? Is the window open? Have you watched the movie? Do you like this song? Do you enjoy music? Is your family big? Is he your friend? Are you looking for a job? Do you go to work daily? Do you ride a bike? Do you take the bus? Is this the right train?